Hello everyone, welcome to KK's Art Studio, and today we're drawing a Karate-saurus. It's gonna be super easy and fun, so come join us. Alright guys, let's get started with our dinosaur that does karate. We could call him a Karate-saurus. That's a good name. So let's start, and the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna start with his nose. So on the left side of the paper, we're gonna make a curved line that goes down. So here we have it. We left some space on the side and a lot more space on the top. Then from here we could continue with his nose, and what we're gonna do is we're just gonna make a big curve like a hill. And then from here we're gonna finish it, and we're gonna make something that kind of looks like the letter C. It looks like a diagonal line with a letter C. From here we could continue and make one vertical line from this point. And then we're gonna make one curve from here that goes up inside his face like a smile. This part is gonna be the top of his mouth. So here we have his nose, and then from here we could continue with the bottom of his mouth. So we're gonna just come in more, and we're gonna make that same vertical line that comes down. And all we're gonna do is we're gonna curve it just a little bit at the end. It looks like the letter L. And we're gonna come around and make this same curve like a smile. This is the bottom of his head. See his big snout already? And then from here, what we could do is we could make a curve like a hill, and then we'll just stop right at the top of where we stopped his nose. Just like that. So we made a curve like a hill, or kind of like a rainbow if we turn it on its side. From here, this is the top of his eye, so let's do the top of the other eye. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna make a curve that looks like a heart, one side of a heart. And to close this off, what we're gonna do is right on top of his nose, we're gonna draw one of his eyes. So leave him some space on this line. I'm gonna make a circle that's connected to this line. There we have one eye, and then from here we could finish closing his head, and all we have to do is connect this top of a heart to this eye. Just like that. There we have his whole head. From here we could draw his other eye, and we're just gonna come over, leave some space in the middle, and then just draw one full circle because it's not connected to anything. And just like that, we have his two eyes, and we could do the details inside of his eyes. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna make a curve that comes around and looks like a rainbow. So it's gonna look like a circle just attached to the eye. Just like that. It looks like a circle at the bottom. And then towards the top, we're just gonna make a curve that looks like a letter U. There we have one eye. We're gonna copy that same design on the left eye. So there we have our dino's eyes. From here, we could do his nostrils, and what we're gonna do is they look like little raindrops. So I'm gonna turn the paper all the way around, and I'm gonna turn it to the side just a little bit, and right at the end of this eye, I'm gonna make a little point just like that, and I'm gonna make something that looks like a raindrop. So you could start with two diagonal lines that touch that look like the top of a triangle and connect it with one big scoop. Just like that. There we have one, and then we're gonna do the other one, and we'll just have them pointing at each other. There we have his nose. Look how cute he looks. And then we could continue just doing his smile and his eyebrows. So right above his eyes, we're gonna do his eyebrows, and they look like rainbows. So right on top, I'm just gonna make one rainbow the same size as his eye, and I'll do the same thing on the left one. And to finish his beautiful smile, what we're doing is we're gonna make a little curve like a smiley face at this tip, and we'll do his teeth, and his teeth look like triangles because they're super sharp. What we're gonna do is I'm gonna make a diagonal line here that goes to the right, and then from this point I'm gonna make a diagonal line that goes to the left, and it connects to his mouth. There we have one tooth, and I'm just gonna draw 2 or 3 more. So there we have his face. Look how cute that looks. And we could continue. We're just gonna do his body, all his scales, and his little cool karate suit. So let's continue. And right here on the side of his head, we're just gonna make a line that curves, and it's super tiny, and it just comes down towards the paper. That little line is the back of his neck. From here, we could continue and draw his arm that's connected to that. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna draw one diagonal line that goes down to the right. And then from here, this part is the top of his arm. We gotta draw his elbow now. So we're just gonna draw a diagonal line that goes to the left from this point. Right above this line that we just drew, we're gonna copy that same diagonal line, it's just going to be shorter and it won't reach the top of his arm. These are the two sides of his arm. And from here, we could continue with his body that's going to be connected here. And all we're going to do is make a curve going down as if the body was going to curve around and make a big oval. So from here, a little higher on this line, I'm going to make a curve that goes right down just like this. We could continue and do the left side of his body, and his left side of the body is just going to be one big curve that comes around like we're going to draw an oval. We're just not going to close the oval because right here is going to be his leg. So let's just start here, right under this tooth we drew. You could just make a curve as if we're going to make a big oval. Just like that. And then from here, his legs are going to go and the rest of his body. So let's finish and let's do this leg. Okay. This leg right here, from this point, we're going to make a diagonal line that goes down to the right. And we could do the same thing here. We'll just stop at the same height. To close his leg, or to close off his leg, we're just going to make one small curve that connects the 2 points. And we could draw his foot right under that. For his foot, what we're going to do is from this point, from the right point, we're going to make a curve that goes down and continues to the left. If you turn it this way, it kind of looks like the letter L. And then from here, we could draw his toes. So his toes are going to be loops, or like the letter U. We're going to do 3 toes total. So I'm going to start on this side and I'm just going to make a loop like the letter U and come up and curve just a little bit in. This toe in the middle, I'm going to make it a little longer. And then we're going to do one more toe that loops, and then it connects right back to the other side of his foot. There we have one foot, look at that, and one leg. Amazing. And then we could do his other leg. So we're going to copy the same style here. And what we're also going to do is from this point up, we're going to make a curve that goes up. It looks like his knee is bent. From here, we're going to copy that same design here. We're just going to start it right here on the side of his body and make that same curve that goes down. We'll do this line that's connected to his body, this diagonal line. And then we'll close this off with that same curve, and we'll do the same design for this foot on this foot. So there we have his legs. We're missing his arms and his cool little tail. So if you guys are finding this easy and fun, please give the video a like and let's continue. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna finish this arm on the inside of his body. And what we're gonna do is to separate his arm from his body on this line that we made, we're just gonna make one short diagonal line, just like this. You can see that that's his arm. And for his body, we're just gonna continue this curve past his arm, imagining just like that. There we have his body. We could do his hand, and I'm gonna turn the paper just a little bit. Instead of a little curve that goes up like a smiley face, we're gonna make a curve like a rainbow. And we're gonna make an oval out of this. This is the sleeve around his arm. And then we could do his hands, and for his fingers, what we're gonna do is we're just gonna make a whole bunch of blocks instead of the letters U. So from this point, I'm gonna make as if I was gonna make a rectangle. I'd go like that, and I'm gonna make 3 more right next to each other. Just like that. And then the last one, we're gonna connect it right to the side of the oval. Then we have one hand, and for the thumb, we're just gonna make a little box that goes out and connects back. There we have one hand and one fist. His other arm, what we could do is we're gonna come out and he's gonna be doing like a little hi-ya move. So we're gonna come right on the side of his body and we're gonna make one diagonal line that goes down to the right. We'll leave some space in the middle like we did here, and then we'll draw another one at the same height. We'll do the same oval at the wrist, and then we'll copy the same design for the fingers. So there we have his hands, look how cool they look. And from here we could continue and we could just do his karate suit. We're gonna start with his belt, and his belt is gonna be right next to his hand, and right in the middle of his body, we're gonna draw an oval on its side. This is the knot of his belt. We could do the little strings that come out the knot, and what I'm gonna do is on this side, we're gonna make a line that comes out. We'll copy that same line right next to it, and then we'll do one horizontal line to close that off. We'll do that same design on the left side. And there we have the little knot in the middle. From here, we could do the little strings or the wraparound. And we're gonna make one curve that goes out to the side of his body from the top of the oval. Just like that. And then we'll copy the same thing at the bottom side of this oval, just to make a thin strap. And we're gonna do the same design on the left side. We're gonna act like we go through the oval and just start on the same side, the same height, and connect it to the side of his body. Wow. There we have his belt, and then we can continue with his top. So what we're gonna do is right where we have his neck, we're gonna make one diagonal line that connects to his belt. We're gonna copy that same line right next to it and make it a skinny line. There we have one crossing, and the other crossing is gonna go the opposite way, and we're just gonna connect it to this line that we just made. So I'm gonna start right here, right under his side of the body and under his face. And there we have his karate top. Look how cool that looks. To finish off his top, we're gonna make one curve right under his strings and curve it with his body. So it's kind of gonna look like a smiley face. And we're not gonna pass through the ribbon. So go right next to it and then continue right past it and connect it to his finger. There we have his top, and then we could just continue with the details of his body. So he has a lot of stripes on his chest or her chest. And what we're gonna do is we're just gonna continue that same design throughout. Right here under his shirt, to connect to his leg, I'm just gonna make one curve like this, and we'll do the stripes. So I'm gonna show one, and then you guys could do however many you want. So right here, right on his neck, I'm just gonna make a curve like a loop. Just like that, that's one stripe, and I'll do one right under it. And I'll continue down his body, but not through his shirt. Let's remember that, and let's just go through his body. There we have that cool design, and then from here we could do all his little scales. So let's do his tail, so we could do some scales on that too, or some little spikes. Right on this side of his leg, we're gonna make a curve like a smiley face, just like this. And we're just gonna continue and go all the way like if we're going to the top of the paper. So one big curve, and then we'll copy that same design going back down to the back of his leg. There we have a really long tail, and let's do all his spikes. So right at the top of his head, right next to his eye, I'm gonna make a curve to a point and then come back down from this end. It's gonna look like a triangle almost. And we'll do that throughout his whole head. So I'm gonna connect one right next to this one. I'm gonna make a diagonal line to the right to a point, and then one that comes back down to the right. And we'll just continue that all throughout the side of his head and all the way to his tail. So there we have his spikes. Ow, they hurt. They're super sharp. From here, what we could do is we're gonna do one more cool little design, and I want it to be a surprise. So first, what we're gonna do is right halfway through his foot, we're gonna draw a horizontal line to the end of the paper. We'll continue that through the whole thing. Let's just not go through his feet. So we'll pretend we're going through here and continue with the horizontal line all the way to the left side. This horizontal line is the floor. From here, what we're gonna do is we're gonna draw a board that he broke and punched through because he's showing off his karate moves. So right by the wrist and right by the oval we made, I'm gonna do one horizontal line that comes out like this. And we'll imagine that it goes through the arm and continue it on the other side, just like this. From here, we could draw one vertical line from this point down, and we'll do the same thing on this side. And we're gonna do it like he snapped the board. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna do some spikes like he snapped the board in half. And from here, I'm gonna go up to a point like a mountain and come right back down. And I'll do that all the way to the end. There you have one half of the board, and the other half we could do it towards the floor. So we're gonna copy that same design, and right here I'm gonna make one horizontal line the same way this one was, just like that. And then we'll do the two vertical lines that go up. And then from here, we're gonna do the opposite of the mountain so it could fit inside of this. So I'm gonna start here and I'm gonna do 4 mountains. And there we have it. It fits like a puzzle piece. And we could do these little lines just like this, just vertical lines. I'm gonna do one right here and the two next to it are just gonna be shorter. And it looks like it's fallen. And there we have our dinosaur that does karate. Or Karate-saurus. So grab whatever markers, whatever crayons, whatever color pencils you have, and let's color them in. And there we have it, guys. There we have our dino that does karate. I use all these beautiful bright colors all over him. And I don't know, it just looks cool. He looks awesome. He's a blue belt. He's getting up there. And we have the little wood falling. And hopefully you guys found it fun. Hopefully you guys found it easy. Please give the video a like and subscribe to the channel to see more cool drawings. Thank you guys. Bye.